So in this video, I want to cover 7 underrated remote jobs that you guys probably didn't know about, probably didn't know that these jobs were hiring. And for the most part, these are underrated jobs because they either sometimes don't really pay a lot, but in today's video, I have some jobs here that will pay you upwards of $50,000 per year. Also, most of these jobs, they don't require a college degree. Some may not even require that you have a high school diploma. No experience is required for most, and you can start these immediately and you can start getting paid really quickly, in some cases every single week. So some really good opportunities here if you're struggling or if you're looking for that one remote work from home job opportunity and you haven't been able to find it, then some of these may be able to help you out. Now also, before I get into all the details here, I want to say if you are interested in any of these jobs, be sure to open a new browser tab and apply it while you're still watching or listening to this video. Because in some of my recent videos, I've realized that soon after posting job leads, especially remote work from home job leads, the job listings are being pulled because of the amount of people applying to these jobs. And sometimes they do have a limit to the amount of applicants that they will take before they close the job listing. So again, if you are interested, be sure to go right ahead and open up a new browser tab and apply it while you're still watching or listening to this video. So with that said, and without wasting any time, let's dive right into the first place that you guys can find some really good jobs. And this is gonna be at U-Haul. So here, for the most part, they usually have these customer service representative positions. As you can see, most of these were recently posted, probably just a day ago, depending on when you're watching this video. But most of these jobs here are location specific. So what you could do is you could go to the careers page on U-Haul. I'll leave the link down below. And then without any filters, all you want to select here is the remote checkbox right here. And then you filter by remote and it will show you all the remote positions. And usually for the most part, they always have at least one customer service remote work from home type of job here. Now, currently they have a couple of other remote work from home jobs like a sales rep, IT quality control intern, part-time customer escalations phone agent, part-time live verification phone agent. So a ton of remote work from home job positions here. And as you can see, most of these were posted recently, some posted about a month ago. But for example, this one here is just about a week old. So if we take a look at this job, let's take a look at some of the requirements here for this position. So for this position, they do actually provide you with paid training, so you don't really need any experience. So as they say here, their paid comprehensive 2-week education program is fast-paced and builds upon your skills to prepare you to independently serve U-Haul customers. So if you don't have any experience per se, then this is a really good job. Now, at the very minimum, this is what they're looking for. So someone with a friendly and caring tone, someone that's knowledgeable about caring for various customer needs, ability to display empathy in adverse environments, efficiency in navigation, typing, and also language skills. And as for work from home requirements, there isn't really a whole lot here. I mean, you will need to have your own computer, which must meet the technical requirements, which are all listed right here. And then you need to have a quiet workspace to work from at home where you can work uninterrupted. And these are the computer specifications here. So operating system, Windows 11, and this is how much RAM you need, your processor speed, storage space you need a webcam, a USB wired headset, and you need high-speed internet connection. If you guys are searching for any remote work from home job equipment, check the links down below. You'll find some really good work from home job equipment on my Amazon page, things that I personally use myself, good quality, but won't break the bank. For a position like this where you don't really need any experience and you don't need a college degree, probably not even a high school diploma, hourly base pay is starting out at $14 per hour, and it will increase periodically based on performance. They also give you really good benefits here as well. Now, like I mentioned before, most of these jobs are underrated because they don't pay a whole lot. But if you're looking for that one or that first remote work from home type of job, then U-Haul usually has these positions. Again, they don't really pay a whole lot, but you can get in here. So I'll leave the link down below. Also, next on the list, we're gonna have working solutions. So here you don't do a traditional type of interview. You simply create your profile, you add any experience you have, you take some assessments, they scan your PC, and you get to choose the opportunity that you're interested in. And this entire process takes about an hour, if not less. And then you can choose any of the openings that they have right now. So they have a customer service representative for TurboTax. They also have a customer support representative for Ute Sports, and they have educational sales rep positions currently open right now. From time to time, they will have different openings here, different positions, but usually for the most part, they're always hiring, and most, if not all of these positions don't require you to have a college degree, don't require you to have a high school diploma, and all you really need here is the willingness to work. I mean, skills needed: sincere desire to assist the customer, tech savvy, ability to multitask and navigate multiple systems, and to be able to communicate with a friendly tone and professional demeanor. This job is paying up to $19 per hour, and you can make more with extra incentives as well. So good paying opportunity here. Also, this is one of those flexible type of jobs where you get to set your own schedule. So hours are anywhere between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday, and then you can choose your own hours within that time frame. So this is also another great place to find these opportunities. Now, next on the list, we have study.com. Now, study.com does have a careers page where you can find their careers, but if you scroll all the way down and you go to Teach for Us, this link right here, click on Teach for Us, and you'll actually find, and I'll leave the link down below, you'll find these contract positions which don't always have to do with tutoring or teaching. For example, business course development specialist, communications course development specialist, and these are remote in the Philippines. For the US, we have a course development specialist as well, HR practice test writer. These are all contract positions. We have a US history expert curriculum reviewer. We also have IT course development specialist. We have a video summary writer. We have a YouTube educational video creator. So a ton of really good opportunities here. Again, these are contract positions, and they have them in the US, in the Philippines, and in India. So if you're not in any of these countries, but you do know someone that is, be sure to forward the link to this video to them so they can watch, and maybe they may be interested in one of these positions. But for example, we could take a look at this one, YouTube educational video creator in Florida or in the US. This is a remote position. So for this one, and most of this will be standard for all contract positions here, but for example here, timely, reliable payments twice a month via PayPal. All work is paid per piece. Per piece rates vary based on complexity and the length of content. And so you could find different jobs here, and they'll pay you per job or per task that you complete. And then this is a really great way to make some money. Unless it is related to course material, it probably won't require you to have a degree or have any experience. From time to time, they have some really what I'd call simple type of contract positions here where you really don't need a whole lot and you can get into them very easily. So this is another easy place to find these underrated job positions, but are still really good positions. Now, next on the list, we have NextRep. And here you can work from home in customer service. They're always hiring for the most part. You get to set your own schedule. As they say here, you make great money and you get to do the things you love because you work from home, so you have more free time instead of spending hours commuting. So this is another place you can find some really good underrated job positions. I'll leave the link down below. Now, you guys may have never heard about NextRep before. I mean, you may know about U-Haul and Working Solutions and Study.com because I have covered those before. And they're also really popular online platforms, but for NextRep, maybe you've never heard about them before, so I was able to find them on Glassdoor. Overall reviews here, 3.3 out of 5 stars, just about 1,000 reviews and just over 770 reported salaries. Take a look at some of the reviews here. First review is from an anonymous employee. Pros, nice area and trainers. Cons, schedule is hard to handle. Again, they have just about 1,000 reviews. So a lot of info here. You could read up on this company here, see what other people had to say about working here before you do apply. But they're always hiring for the most part. Now, next or finally, we have Live World. And at Live World, you can usually find some contract or gig type of jobs here. And they also have these available in many different countries. So that is a plus. Also, they give some really good benefits here as well. Currently, they only have one position, and this is for a social media agent. So here it says primary responsibilities for the various agent positions may include review and take appropriate action on social media posts according to brand guidelines. Also actively engage with online users, stimulating, guiding, and participating in conversations. So if you are good with social media and you do find yourself, spending a lot of time on social media, then this may be a really good position for you because you'd be getting paid for doing what you already do for free. So really good position here. For the most part, they usually have jobs like this here at Live World. Also, if you never heard about them before, I was able to find them on Glassdoor as well. Not really a lot of reviews here, but overall rating is 3.7 out of 5 stars. So you guys could read up. They have just about 84 reviews and over 108 reported salaries, or just over 100 rather reported salaries. So again, you guys could read up on what other people had to say about working here. We try to find a review. First review here is actually that very same position. This person was working as a social media agent. Pros: I love the people that I get to work with. The team is helpful and attentive. Cons: not a lot of hours for part-time. So that may be a downside here. But again, underrated work from home jobs. They're really good. They can make you money. They are easy to get into, and this could help you land your first remote work from home job position. So I'll leave all the links down below, and you guys can apply for any, or you could apply for all. Again, some of these are flexible in terms of the schedule, so you could have multiple jobs simultaneously, and you could even make more money online that way. So again, really good underrated job positions here. Links all down below in the description. Now, if you guys came here primarily for remote work from home job content, be sure to check out my second channel, which is the work from home channel. And that's gonna be this channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. So high paying remote work from home jobs only on this channel. So you'll find part-time, full-time, flexible schedule jobs. But if you're in the market primarily for a remote work from home job, then this is a channel you want to be subscribed to. So also the link will be down below or in a pinned comment. So be sure to go over. I also just posted a brand new video here, a really good high paying job lead today. So be sure to check that out as well. But as always, all the best in your job hunt. I really hope that these videos do help you to find higher paying job positions, or in this case, at least help you land your first remote work from home job position. But again, as always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.